Many sons had Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's all praise the Lord. Right arm, left arm. Father Abraham had many sons. Many sons had Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's all praise the Lord. Right arm, left arm, right foot. Father Abraham had many sons. Many sons had Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's all praise the Lord. Right arm, right foot, left foot. Father Abraham had many sons. Many sons had Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's all praise the Lord. Right arm, right foot, left foot, chin up. Father Abraham had many sons. Many sons had Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's all praise the Lord. Right foot, left foot, chin up, turn around. Father Abraham had many sons. Many sons had Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's all praise the Lord. Sit down. Now it's time to go find our cards and deliver our cards. Okay? Olivia's got her card. There's a lot of people to give it to. Who are you going to give it to? And what do you say, Olivia?
Happy Halloween.
Okay, good job. Mira's giving her card.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, good job, Josh. Tyler, there's some people over here that don't have a card yet. What do you say, Lena?
Happy Halloween.
Good.
Miss O,
All right.
I can't find my card.
There's one maybe behind there. Look kind of to the back. There's some people in the back too if you need to. There's some ladies back over here, girls. Over this way, girls and boys. You come through this way. Come through this way. There's some people back here too, okay? All right. Wish them a happy Halloween. Okay. Did you wish her a happy Halloween?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
I can't find anyone.
Did you go over on that side maybe? Okay. There, you know what? There might be a few people that are in their rooms that would like one later. Did you give one to the lady with the blanket? Oh, I think Elizabeth is giving it to her. Yep, she gave it to her. You know what? How about if we set them on the table and they'll take them to people that are in their rooms still? Okay? Yes. There might be somebody in the back there in the wheelchair. Oh, there's two people back there. David W., there's two people in the back in a wheelchair. Okay, no, this way. Oh, okay, yeah, very good. Okay.
Miss O, can I honk my horn
Is there... Okay, Courtney, there's two people in the back. Do you see them back there, the man in the wheelchair in the back row? You want to give it to him? Just go around that way. And is there anybody else that has a card, Emily?
Miss O.
There's a lady in a blue sweater in the back that doesn't have a card.
I don't see.
Okay, come this way, I'll show you.
Can I honk my horn?
No. Okay, this way. Okay. Yep, the lady in the blue sweater. Do you see her with the sunglasses on? Okay. All right. Great job, first grade.
Ethan just honked my horn.
Okay.